Poverty can make you to think that everybody is suffering, but meanwhile, in 2023, a lot of people have discovered that with just their smartphone, a data connection, and an internet skill, you too can sit down from the comfort of your home and make a lot of money. Now, in the next few minutes, I'm going to introduce you to a business model that has helped me to move from zero to becoming a financial giant. I'm talking about a business model that has helped me to achieve things like this: traveling out of the country and flexing. I mean, a business model that has also helped me to earn over ₦1 million in a week. I'm also going to introduce you to this same business model that have helped my students to move from their comfort zone to earning over 6 figures every single week. Now, listen, just in case you are out there and you have been looking for a legitimate way to start making money online, all I want you to do currently is to click on the link below this video, and I'm going to give you my step-by-step guide. That is my 18 minutes beginner video where you can sit down and understand how you too can sit from the comfort of your home and start making a lot of money. So if this is you, I want you to click on the link below so that we can get started immediately.